Yo, today we're going to be doing a what's in my bag, and it's 2021. I'm going to give you a little tour. So first off, the bag that I have is the Goruck, I believe it's a GR1. I'm going to make sure and correct that in the description if it's wrong. It is a rucking sack, and so it's intended to carry a lot of weight, and people put it on and they walk long distances. But on the outside, it has this molle system where you can attach different things. I think the military uses it. It's a pseudo molle. It's not a full military system, I don't believe. And I carry around a freakish amount of knives, mostly for show. So I got over here, this looks like it's a Smith & Wesson, just a little flip out knife that I carry around. Now, when I'm traveling, I gotta remove all these knives, but I got this as a gift. It's a Gerber utility knife, box cutter. Just a really awesome knife, I think, just for box cutting. I have a Milwaukee, I think it's a fast something flip bit. This is actually my construction tool. I use it for cutting things. Just a little portable knife with a little set of parachute cords. I love this. This is the Gerber tactical pen. It's got this little stabby thing, so you can hopefully not stab people, but it's designed to break windows. And it's got a right upside down pressure ink system. That's pretty awesome. This is a company gift I got from Point B a long time ago. It's just a Leatherman, classic Leatherman. If you do a lot of camera work like me, one of these tools always comes in use handy. And I think here's a Benchmade knife. What model is this? I have no idea what model this is, but also just another knife to carry around, almost as a fidget toy. On the side, I have a couple more clips, some carabiners. Again, a lot of these things I rarely need to pull out, but the moment when I really need it, it is incredibly useful, and I love it. So before I open up the bag, let's go to the back. And the back has access to two devices I carry around with me. This is an older iPad 12.9 inch. It's got the little pencil, and I got the Magic Keyboard. Use this as a secondary device. Sometimes I'll use it as a second screen if I needed one. My MacBook Pro went out of commission, so I got myself just an M1 MacBook Air. It's probably a temporary bridge gap. It's actually working pretty well. I'm editing 4K video. This is actually 6K video that I'm going to edit very soon, and it takes it like a champ. And before I get too far along, I got this is a iPhone Pro Max. It's in a Nomad case. Got my AirPods Pro also in a Nomad case, and a MagSafe battery. Okay, I thought that was my kid, but okay. Okay, so what's cool about this bag is, first, it's a ruck bag, so it's designed to get really muddy wet, and it's okay. So it has this completely fold open top. There's a little pack up here where I keep some of my common stuff. I have an Insta360 Go, some camera batteries, pepper spray. I think this is a Palm pepper spray. It's got a little flip top. Flip it up, push the button. Hopefully I'm not going to discharge it in here. Carry a little bit of cash, some contact cases just in this netting pocket over here. So I'm going to go from the bottom. I have a Hyperjuice. This is a gigantic battery brick. It's got 100 watts out, so I can power my MacBook Air. And so when I'm traveling or when I'm working away from a power port, it's really awesome to have one of these. Let's get some of the camera gear out of the way. I started carrying the Peak Design travel tripod. It's the aluminum version. I just couldn't justify spending $600 for the carbon fiber version, but this is incredibly small, and this entire tripod fits to the side of this bag, which is awesome because whenever I'm vlogging or I need to set up a tripod, I got it here. Now I'm a Fuji shooter, and that's actually a Z cam. I got the Panasonic GH5 Mark II as my B camera. On it, I got the Leica 12 to 60 2.8 to, what is this? 2.8 to something 5.6 lens. It's a stabilized lens, so I'm getting dual image stabilization and a flippy screen. I've never had a flippy screen, so for a vlogging camera, this works incredibly well. On it, I'll put the Rode NTG Videomic NTG with the fluffy screen. And so that's my entire vlogging setup in the entire kit right there. And before I open up the pack, really awesome wallet. I got this from Ewing Dry Goods, and check that out. That's gotta be pretty awesome. I think it's called May Leather. She does these awesome designs. I had this custom made with her leather, natural veg tanning outside, and just this little lanyard. I'm not wearing heavy clothing nowadays, so it's harder to carry this in just some light pants, and so it's fairly large and hasn't broken in yet, so I just typically will carry it in here. I'm going to do a separate video some point in the future. This is my Midori Traveler's Notebook. If you look at it, I'll post some links down in the description, but if you Google Midori Traveler's Notebook, this has an entire cult following, and yeah, I just got into it. I thought it was cool. It's kind of my everyday journal that I carry around with me in here. So let's talk about this thing. This is the Peak Design Tech Bag, which I think is probably one of my favorite bags recently. It's got this accordion storage. And look at that. There's a crazy amount of stuff in here. And so I'm not going to pull everything out, but I have a power brick by Anker. I got some batteries for my camera, USB-C and lightning ports. I carry around compact flash card. This is for the Z Cam. Shoots compact flash. Little SanDisk external SSD. This is a 2 gig terabyte card drive that I use to edit videos. Apple fanboy here, but the dual charger, portable. Especially when I'm traveling, I charge my watch, my AirPods, my phone, all at once. Pretty awesome. If you're a Mac, you're gonna live the dongle life. And you know, it's got the HDMI, it's got the Ethernet, and SD card. So really, for me to kind of read SD cards, and more dongles, cables, SSDs. And I haven't even filled this thing up. And in these two little slots here, I'll carry some of my ND filters. Right now they're on my cameras. And that is the tech bag. You know, I like how it has all these little carry. You can hold it from different perspectives. You can use the carabiner to hang it. And on the back, it's got two of these straps, so you can actually put on some straps. And there's a hidden pocket, right? Not hidden, but it's just tucked over here. I think it's designed for you to put your passport in there. I carry just an Allen wrench. If you're a camera person, you know what this is all about. So that is my everyday carry. So I will typically load it up, bottom up, and the camera goes in. Fluffy mic goes in. Wallet here. Tripod goes in this corner right here. And just over the last year, it's taken me kind of about a year to kind of figure out my process. But in this bag, I can record pretty much most videos that I need to record just in a pinch. Although I like to bring my studio equipment or bring more planned out equipment when possible. But in this bag, at any time, anyone can give me a holler and we can make a video. And I think there's a front pocket here. I do carry masks, and let's see what magic things in here. Ooh, yeah, this is awesome. Can't talk about this project, but it is a spray bottle, and I believe Ewing Dry Goods makes it Also just awesome to have a spray bottle inside. Really nice leather pouch. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to leave some links to as many of these products down below as possible. But I think one thing you got to learn is just you got to build your own system. And it's taken some time to kind of figure out what I like. But here's my everyday carry bag for 2021. Let me know if you have any questions. Like, comment. I'll see you soon.